Good morning, students. Today we will recite a new poem that is Little by Little. Do you know, children? Even the biggest trees begin life as tiny seeds. In this poem, we will read about how little acorn grow into a huge tree. Do you know, children? What is an acorn? Acorn is small nut of the oak tree. Is called acorn. And you know, squirrel loves to eat these acorns. Yummy. So let's enjoy the poem. Little by little, an acorn said as it slowly sank in its mossy bed, I am improving every day, hidden deep in the earth away. Little by little, each day it grew. Little by little, it sipped the dew. Downward it sent out a thread like root. Up in the air sprang a tiny shoot. Day by day and year by year, little by little, the leaves appear and the splendor branches spread far and wide, till the mighty oak is the forest bride. So, now kids, just tell me what are the what are the rhyming words did you find there? Have you find some rhyming words? See, said, S-A-I-D, said. The rhyming word is bed, B-E-D. Now next, D-A-Y-J, A-W-A-Y, away. Next, G-R-E-W, grew, D-E-W, dew. R-O-O-T, root, S-H-O-O-T, shoot. Ear, Y-E-A-R, ear, appear. A-P-P-E-A-R, W-I-D-E, wide, P-R-I-D, pride. So these are the rhyming words which you find in the poem. Now kids, just tell me what are the things a plant need to grow? First, soil. Soil is the most important thing a seed requires to grow and become a plant. Sunlight also very important to make their food. Now, what are the best sources of and water? Now, what are the best sources of water for plant? Rainwater, isn't it? If there is no rain, then our crops will die and we will not be able to get our food. The next one is fertilizers and manures. Soil. Get he required nutrients from soil. He required nutrients and help the seed to grow and become a huge tree. And the next one is air. So these other things a plant needs. So these are the things a plant needs to grow. So let's revise again. What are the things a plant needs to grow? First, sunlight, water, soil, air, and the next one is nutrients. Very nice. So, see children, how little by little and a seeds become a plant. These are the cycle. हाँ, आप अपने घर में भी एक छोटा सा सीड डाल करके सॉइल में डालकर देखना, वो धीरे धीरे स्लोली बिकम अ प्लांट. आप अपने गमले में बालकनी में डाल करके देखना, ठीक है? वेरी नाइस. सो व्हाट वी गेट फ्रॉम प्लांट्स एंड ट्रीज? Do you know what we get from plants and trees? We get from plants fruits and vegetable. We all love eating fruits and vegetable. Huh? We get fresh air to breathe. Kids, if we cut all the trees, then there will be no air and it will very difficult for us to survive. Isn't it? Trees give shelter to birds so that they can make their nest and grow their chicks. Trees also give shelter to animals like monkeys, squirrels, panda, etc. There are so many animals, lots of animals like deer. Huh? They are like deer, giraffe, monkey, goat, cow, buffalo, sheep, etc. There are so many animals which get food from plants. They get leaves of this, they eat leaves of these plants. You know, children, trees are also gives us paper to make our books and copies for studying, isn't it? It's amazing, no? But do you know, just to make 1 ton of paper, we have to cut 17 huge trees. Such a big harm to our mother nature. So, kids, do not waste paper because by this habit, you will harm our environment. So, try to save paper now so that you can save trees, and this is very important to save our mother nature for the earth. Hope you enjoyed this poem. So now sing it by yourself and do this exercise. Huh? So save paper, save trees. Thank you, children.